back Tuesday, Fortnight Fitness, negatives, and summer sculpting. And you notice I didn't put fasting fitness in there today because we actually broke our fast a little bit earlier than usual today because it was raining and we didn't think that we were going to get to the gym at this time. So it was like, might as well eat. So we had a keto breakfast. We're fueled up, and we're not feeling that usual drag that we have when we eat before we hit the gym. Of course, it was about 90 minutes ago that we ate. So we're going to hit the back today, the whole back. It may not be nothing but the back because we might do rear delts and some triceps. But the way we're going to hit them is the same way that we've been hitting them. And I want to share with you guys our different methods. We have the regular way, of course, which is the way most people do it. And we have negatives, where we'll hold it from the top when we're doing the back and let it out easy. And then there's the pump, where you go halfway, do like half reps, right? You don't let the muscle completely rest and you don't let it completely contract. So we have those, and then we have slow motion reps where we do the whole rep in a very similar tempo. It's like the quote-unquote regular way, but only in slow motion. So it might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, or the opposite way. And that's going to light up the muscles, especially if they're not used to doing it that way. So that's the outline, that's the plan. We're going to get in to the gym as usual, get the job done, and report back to you right after this. In an earlier spot, I mentioned that we save the biceps for the vanity days. We are now into vanity days. So in addition to hitting the biceps when we do our chin-ups and we do our rows and things like that, we're also saving a little time at the end of the workout when the body is completely fatigued to do a little concentration on the biceps. And it's just for the gun show, it's just for vanity, it's just to show off. We work the inside head by doing close grip, and we do the outside head by doing wide grip. So there's a little tip for you in case you're having your own gun show moment. So it turned out to be the back, the whole back, and nothing but the back today. And we got some thickness, man. We got the lats, we got the traps, we got behind the shoulders, the posterior deltoids, just kind of by default, by doing the bent rows. We got a lot done, actually. Doesn't feel like I did a lot, but we got a lot done. And we worked it, we mixed it up, man. It's a mixed tape for the back. Some slow motion, some holds, some reverses. So I don't know if I mentioned the holds before, but what we're doing now as part of the negatives, we bring it up to the top and we hold it there for 8 seconds. And then we start counting slow motion down halfway to 8 seconds and try to hold it there, and then take it all the way down to the bottom by about 24, 25 seconds, and then bring it up rather slowly, not powering it up every time, although sometimes we do that, but bringing it up slow, holding it at the top, and then lowering it slowly down. That is engaging quite a bit of muscles, especially the forearm muscles, right at the top, closest to the elbow. And it's waking up some potential issues that have been lying dormant. Maybe with the joints, maybe with the tendons, I don't know, but I'm feeling something in there. And they're like, we better get our act together, because next time we don't want to feel like this. Anyway, that's the story. That's the 1-2 punch. Wellness Wednesday tomorrow, and then the final page of chapter 2 comes up on Thursday, and it should be a leg day. We should be able to get in here in between the rainstorms, because it's supposed to rain all week. And yes, I'll tell you what's scheduled: the deadlift game, and I'm kind of psyched about it. It'll be a chance to measure what we were doing in the last 2 weeks. Thanks as always for watching. Remember, all the stuff that helps the channel, do your thing, help us out if you can, and we'll see you next workout.